Did you know there are items in your kitchen that could be harboring more bacteria than your bathroom? If you've never thought to clean these, you're not alone, but it's time to change that. Today, we're revealing 12 surprising kitchen items that most people forget to clean but definitely should. And remember, all our sources are listed in the description if you want to verify any of our claims. 1. Coffee maker, the reservoir. The coffee reservoir can accumulate bacteria and mold, often harboring more germs than your bathroom surfaces, according to NSF International. Run a cycle with white distilled vinegar, followed by a rinse with water, to effectively clean and sanitize the inside. 2. Reusable grocery bags. Reusable bags are great for the environment but can harbor bacteria like E. coli, especially if used for raw produce or meat. Toss fabric bags into the washing machine on an appropriate setting. For plastic-coated bags, wipe down with disinfectant regularly. 3. Trash can, inside and outside. Even if you change the trash bags, the inside of your trash can can still harbor bacteria, mold, and unpleasant smells. Scrub the trash can with hot, soapy water monthly, and disinfect to reduce bacterial growth and odors. Blender gasket, also known as the rubber ring. The gasket at the base of your blender is a haven for germs like Salmonella and E. coli. To ensure it's clean, disassemble the blender completely after each use and clean the gasket thoroughly with hot, soapy water. Refrigerator including water dispenser, door seals, and drawers. NSF International found the fridge water dispenser, door seals, and drawers to be major germ hotspots, with bacteria such as Listeria. To keep these areas clean, use vinegar to clean the water dispenser, wipe down door seals regularly, and deep clean drawers with warm, soapy water to avoid contamination. Kitchen sink, including the drain. Your sink is exposed to raw food residue and moisture, making it a prime breeding ground for bacteria like E. coli. To maintain cleanliness, scrub the sink with baking soda, pour vinegar down the drain, and disinfect weekly to prevent odors and bacteria buildup. 7. Salt and pepper shakers. Studies found that salt and pepper shakers can carry viruses that cause the common cold due to frequent handling without proper cleaning. To keep them clean, wipe down shakers daily with disinfectant wipes and wash hands thoroughly before and after use. 8. Oven mitts and pot holders. These items come into frequent contact with food spills and raw ingredients, accumulating bacteria and food residue. To ensure they stay hygienic, machine wash regularly using high-temperature settings to kill germs and prevent cross-contamination. 9. Knife block. The dark, damp slots of your knife block can harbor mold and bacteria, especially if wet knives are stored. To clean it properly, use a small bottle brush with warm, soapy water to scrub inside the slots. Make sure the knife block is completely dry before replacing knives. Rubber spatulas with detachable heads are great kitchen tools, but food particles can get trapped between the detachable head and handle, creating a perfect environment for mold. To clean them properly, always separate the parts before washing. Clean with hot, soapy water and ensure they're completely dry before reassembling. This way, you'll keep your spatulas hygienic and ready for your next cooking adventure. The tops of cabinets often go unnoticed, but they can accumulate dust, grease, and mold if not cleaned, which can impact air quality in your kitchen. To keep them clean, wipe with a damp cloth and degreaser. Once they're clean, place wax paper on top for easy future cleaning. This simple step can make a big difference in maintaining a fresh kitchen environment. The can opener is another kitchen tool that needs regular attention. The blade of a can opener can harbor bacteria from food residue, especially when not cleaned after every use. To keep it clean, wash with hot, soapy water after each use, and scrub around the blade and gears with an old toothbrush. This will ensure your can opener stays clean and safe for use. Now you know the 12 hidden germ traps in your kitchen that need cleaning. Keep your kitchen fresh and healthy by adding these to your regular cleaning routine. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more tips on keeping your home spotless. Thank you for watching and happy cleaning.